In this video, I want to talk about two concepts that are designed to prevent spouses from becoming impoverished. These concepts are known as the CSRA, or the Community Spouse Resource Allowance. That's what we're going to be discussing in this video. In 2023, I'm going to give you the exact amounts, but understand that these numbers will change from time to time, and these numbers only pertain to Florida. If you were anywhere outside of the state of Florida, you have to talk to an elder law attorney there. These numbers are likely different. So I'm going to tell you what the numbers are, and then I'm going to explain the concept behind them. So and I'm going to use their acronyms. So for Community Spouse Resource Allowance, CSRA. All right. So again, we also want to keep in mind that this pertains to a situation where we have a married couple, legally married, and one spouse is in need of long-term care Medicaid and the other spouse is healthy. The healthier spouse we refer to as the community spouse. So with the CSRA, the concept is we don't want to force the community spouse into poverty, and so we're going to give the community spouse a resource allowance. And the CSRA is currently $148,620. What that means is when we have a married couple and we have a sick spouse who wants to be eligible for Medicaid for care at home or care in a facility, that the well spouse, the community spouse, can have up to $148,620 in their name, whereas the sicker spouse can only have up to $2,000 in his or her name. And you can still be eligible for Medicaid. So again, if we have a married couple and between the two of them, they have $150,620, that's $148,620 plus $2,000, we don't have to do anything to protect their assets, meaning we can just shift money from one spouse to another. The numbers are all going to add up with the way we need them to add up. We can submit our application when we're ready, when we have all the other materials that are needed to submit the application, and we're good to go. Medicaid will be fine. They're not going to go, wait a minute, why don't you use this extra $148,000 and change to pay for the sicker spouse? They're not allowed to take that position. You're eligible. So that's some great news. And if you have more than $150,620 between the married couple, that's where we have other tools we can bring to play where we can legally and ethically protect those excess assets and still get you eligible for Medicaid without having to wait 5 years or without having to spend everything down. You don't have to sell the house. We have all these really neat ways of doing that. But if you only have 150 grand between the two of you, you're good to go. Now, we still might want to do some additional planning because we might, even though one spouse only needs care now, we may say to ourselves, well, what if the community spouse needs care in a few years from now? So we can have that discussion as well, but that's for another video. If you are interested, if you are anywhere in the state of Florida or your loved one is anywhere in the state of Florida looking for help paying for care at home or care in an assisted living facility or care in a nursing home, we are here to help. Please schedule a consultation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share it and help me get good information out to all Florida consumers. Thank you.